Comment by Olive Channel 1. Cow milk isn't good. It tastes like a piece of trash. I drink oat milk and I still get protein. Listen, I know you're just trying to help. I know you're a vegan supporter, but still, I gotta say this. I don't give an F-U-C-K about whether you like the taste of cow's milk or not. It's not about you, it's about the animals. End of story. Smile!
Drink soy milk, oat milk, rice milk, almond milk. Don't steal milk from a cow. Be vegan, start right now. Follow that vegan teacher, she will show you how.
Comment by It's Celine. I became vegan because of you. Thank you for telling me that I am the reason that you have become vegan. Now, the next step is to make sure that you continue that pattern. Somebody helped you to become vegan, and now you're going to help others to become vegan. It's like a domino effect. Have you got yourself some stickers yet? You can get these for free by going to PETA.com. They send them to you in the mail, and then you can use them to make your own videos. I suggest that you don't just actually stick them in random places. You get far more mileage out of them by keeping them nice and tidy and by taking pictures of them or using them in your videos in some way. Okay? I want to see you on TikTok doing videos. I want to see you on Instagram doing videos about veganism. And I also want to see you with your own YouTube channel. When you have it, and you have videos, even if they're short, let me know and I will draw attention to them. Good job.
Being vegan means being the change you want to see in the world. So share this song, be better. Be vegan from now on.
Okay, here's a comment by somebody named Hjolitzer or Zolitzer, the legendary gamer, who says, "Finally, old TVT is back." Well, I'm so happy that you think that the old TVT is back, but I don't have a clue what you're referring to. I am the same person I've always been. I don't have just one dimension to me. Sometimes I get sad when I see animals suffering and I cry. Other times I get furious because people should know better and they are eating animals and being cruel when they have so much ability to influence the rest of the world. Other times I'm trying to be funny. Sometimes I am a bit funny. Sometimes I'm really not funny and I just flop. My jokes just flop. But I'm just a normal person trying in any way possible to get through to you. You understand? I don't know who you are. I have no idea. Okay, you're supposedly a gamer, which means, you could be anywhere. You could be 12 years old. You could be 80 years old. I mean, people are crazy who spend all this time playing games and they want to be entertained. You want me to do a big exciting trick or a show for you. Like, hey, chill out. Stay calm and carry on and just be vegan and just accept me for all the different ways that I am. Because some days you're going to like me and some days you won't, but I'm always the same person. Now stop eating animals and eat your vegetables.
What's in your body? Why are you eating meat when you can choose compassion with every bite you eat? Do you want your body to be a garden or do you want it to be a morgue? If you're brave enough to learn the truth, go to don'twatch.org. Do you want your body to be a garden or do you want it to be a morgue? If you're brave enough to learn the truth, go to don'twatch.org.
Okay, next comment is by Crystal Bookwater. This genius of a person writes, "Keep the animal population under control. Be an omnivore or a carnivore." Hey, Crystal. You do know that humans are also animals, right? So who exactly do you think we should be getting rid of first, since you think there's an overpopulation of all of us? Oh, did you just mean the other kind of animals? Chickens, cows, pigs, or what? You're right. There is an overpopulation of them because of people like you who pay for them to be raped into existence in the first place. The animals that you eat, Crystal, are not just out there in the fields making love. They are there on your plate because you paid for them to be there. You went into McDonald's or into your grocery store and you asked for something, you paid for it, which is giving them the message that, oh, Crystal really likes this dead animal, so I'm going to go out there and murder a couple more for her next week. In fact, you probably do it every single day. Probably drink milk too, right? Guessing you also eat eggs. But guess what? You can stop. Look in the mirror, Crystal, and say to yourself, I want to be part of the solution. I don't want to be part of the problem anymore. I want to save animals instead of hurting them. And then join me here. Become a moderator on this channel and help me make this world a better place. Go vegan, Crystal, you can do it.
I'll remember this day, I'll remember this moment. Today's the first day of the rest of my vegan life. I'll remember this feeling, I'll remember this love. Today's the first day of the rest of my vegan life. From this day forward I will always be proud to be vegan, and I will declare it out loud. I'm here to save you, I'm here to save you. Little lambs, chickens, turkeys, fish, pigs and cows too. I'm here because that vegan teacher helped me to see beyond myself, deep into the eyes and heart of someone else.
Here's a comment by somebody called Yardashians, who writes, Vegan teacher, I'm wearing a wool hoodie. Okay. Did you have a point? Maybe check the label. Maybe it's actually not made out of wool. Most hoodies aren't. Most hoodies are made out of polyester with a mixture of some cotton. Sometimes they're acrylic. You know those things that are made out of like a fleecy material? That's actually usually made out of recycled fibers. Check the label and let me know in the comments what it's really made out of. And I know you're a type. You're going to say, yeah, it's made out of wool, and so are my underwear and my socks and everything else. Come on. Seriously. Grow up. Join me on this channel to help save animals, instead of being down there in the comments just wasting everybody's time, including your own. Seriously. I'm sure that you're an intelligent person and that you have something else to say. So check the label on your items and become vegan on this channel. Ready? Counting to 3. 1, 2, 3. Do it!
Check the label, check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, it's okay. Check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, the animals will say, hooray!
Here's a comment by somebody named Stephanie Dyke, who states, angels have like 200 wings. You're an expert in angel wings? You've seen angels that have 200 wings? Oh my God. You know, I went to heaven myself. Yeah, I was up there. I wrote about it in a song. And God said, excuse me, Miss Katie, but you're a bit early. It's time for you to go back. You're only due back up here when you're 103. So God gave me some wings, said they're invisible. You know, just go down to earth and do your good work. God said that I have so much more work to do here to help save animals. But that's so cool that you're an expert in, I guess, I don't know, there must be other angels that have 200 wings. I only have 2 and they work perfectly fine. But anyway, you know what else I'm an expert in? Songs about heaven. Have you heard this one yet?
If you want to get to heaven, you know what to do. It's time to be vegan for the animals and you, Mother Earth, the skies and the oceans too. We have to protect them, we all know it's true. Heaven is vegan. 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 It's vegan right now for every pig, lamb, turkey, fish, chicken, and cow. All we have to do is change our ways and lead with our hearts towards better days. Heaven is vegan. Heaven is vegan. Heaven is vegan. Heaven is vegan. No matter your race, size, color, gender, or religion, you can be a good person, an ethical vegan, and help to create heaven.
Here's a comment by Lilia Spangler, who writes, I love God, but I don't think you respect him because you don't want people to be what they don't have to be, vegan, if they don't want to, but you just forcing people to do it.
I can't force you to do anything. I can't force you to do what's right. All I can do is hope that you think of them the next time you pick up your fork and you take a bite.
Check mark!
No matter what your religion, no matter what your skin color, no matter if you're politically left or right, none of this should matter because you were born vegan and you can return. You were born with empathy and any cruel indoctrination you can unlearn. Your mother's milk was vegan. It was meant for you. And no matter what they try to tell you, remember, being kind to the vulnerable is a traditional value. Being kind to the vulnerable is a traditional value. You can be vegan again. Yes, it's true. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's